I'm out in the garden and I'm absolutely surrounded by birds. They're all singing. The sun is moving to set, although it has probably a good hour of daylight left. But all the birds are singing, all excited, and it's quite warm. I'm wearing this because I have a little trouble with my ears, but they're everywhere. House sparrows here making that tweet sound, that chip chip sound. Collared doves. There's a grey tit up on that, singing his head off. That really melodious. And these are only the small birds because obviously the dove's a little bigger, but the other birds will start singing, like the blackbirds, as it gets darker. And the song thrush, they do their really spectacular call. Although I'm not really hearing the song thrush at the moment. It's pretty exciting. It's getting greener. They're all in the hedge here. And there's a collared dove. So, more sparrows here with me, actually behind me. You can see them all moving through the hedge, and they're house sparrows. For some reason we don't get the tree sparrow up here. I don't know why, because you can find them, if you go north of Dublin you find them everywhere, and they're not as numerous or quite as common as the house sparrow, but they fly with the house sparrows. They have a lovely chestnut head, whereas the house sparrow is a sort of a black grey, a little bit of brown on it, but not the real wonderful bright sort of, and complete covering that the tree sparrow has. I'm getting really loud now. Lovely, absolutely lovely. You hear magpies even joining in over there. Lots and lots of little birds around. It's really very spring feeling now. You can get winter weather, but it's starting to warm up. That's lovely. You can hear the magpie cackling away over there. And some little bird way over on the top of that tree, and let's have a look, see what it is. Oh, he flew away. Somehow or another he saw that I was going to focus on him. Oh well, exciting. And those three are females. Female house sparrows. With a dove singing in the background. And that was a gold crest. Still there actually, I think.